Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to make all the amounts you're seeing right here. You can see this is 535,566, and right here you can see this is $37.19. This is 100, okay, this is 222 rands right here. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be explaining how I was able to make all this. Okay, so whatever you're seeing right here, trust me, it is real. Okay, the name of this platform is seller.co. Okay, so most of you might know about this platform already, so you can see it right here. This is seller. Okay, so most of you might know about this platform already. Okay, so this platform actually is a platform, is like a marketplace where you upload your product and you sell. Okay, you can actually sell someone else's product if you are added as an affiliate. Okay, so guys, I was able to make all this selling a particular product. Okay, I made a video some weeks back where I showed you guys my withdrawal proofs. I showed you guys how much I was able to make in some weeks like that, some months and some days. Okay, so I showed you guys, and some of you were telling me in the comment section to make the complete video explaining how I was able to do that. Okay, so that is why I'm making this video right now. Okay, so guys, you can see right here I have 101 sales. Okay, so in this 101 sales I actually make up to, you can see this is 535, this is $37, and this is 222 rounds right here. Okay, so guys, what I did to make this money was selling a product that is not even mine. Okay, we call it affiliate marketing. Okay, so I actually signed up for this program, and the product I bought, a course I bought, the course was 5,500, and it was that same course was added as an affiliate to promote. Okay, so I started promoting the course, and on each sale I make, I get 50% commission. That is like 2,700, but the platform charges some fees for transaction. Okay, so what I get on each sale is like 2,615. Okay, so right here you can see there are lots of, okay, these are the amounts of money, sales and all that. Okay, so you can see right here there are lots of them. You can see this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 11 and even next. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm not going to be showing you guys much proof like I did in the first video. Okay, so guys, I just want to do a simple explanation on how I was able to make this. Okay, so what I did was after buying the course, I have to promote. Okay, if you're an affiliate marketer, you will have more idea about this. Okay, and if you're not an affiliate marketer, then you should listen very carefully. Okay, affiliate marketing is all about selling products. Okay, and you get commission on each sale you make. You recommend digital products, mainly it's digital products. Okay, you recommend digital products to people who needs them. Okay, and these products are mostly online courses. Okay, so some of them are ebooks, some of them are mentorship programs, some of them are video courses. Okay, so you recommend these courses to people who are interested in them. There are courses about how to make money online, there are courses about affiliate marketing, there are courses about copywriting, there are courses about Amazon KDP. There are lots of courses you can sell online as an affiliate marketer. Okay, so basically the program I signed up for, the program has just 4 courses. Yeah, just 4 courses. So among the 4 courses I choose only one, which is the affiliate marketing product. Okay, because I took my time to study it very well, and then I understood the process. Okay, so all I did was I go on Facebook groups. Okay, so let me just go on my Facebook right now. Okay, so I go on Facebook groups. That's even when I was a beginner, before I started running Facebook ads. Okay, so I'm just gonna check, and maybe I'm gonna see some of those groups and then show you some of my adverts so you can see for yourself. Okay, so there I just come to my Facebook groups right here. Okay, so I have some of those group. I'm just going to check for my, okay, I'm just going to check my post. Okay, so once I log in to the group, what I just do, I just click here and then I write something about affiliate marketing. I can say, okay, let me show you some of my posts so you can see for yourself. Okay, so guys, this is one of my posts. You can see this is around May 9, 2022. Okay, so this is one of my posts, and you can see right here I had about 64 comments. Okay, so what I do is I use screenshots from my colleagues then, which that have made sale when I was a beginner. Okay, so when I okay, once I get the screenshot, I just come on Facebook groups. There are lots of groups I used to use and get traffic. Okay, so before I started running Facebook paid advert. Okay, so there are lots of skills you're going to learn from the courses as well. Okay, so right here you can see this is a little write-up I did. Make 5k or more daily by selling other people's products on WhatsApp. No shop required, no physical appearance. Okay, and this is true. You can be making more than this on daily basis if you take it seriously. Okay, so you can see people commenting. Okay, so once they comment, I direct them to my WhatsApp. Okay, so once I direct them to my WhatsApp, I tell them how the business works. Okay, and some of them buys immediately. Okay, so once they buy that particular course, I'm going to get 50% commission, which is like 2,600. So you can see how many sales I have on my dashboard. Okay, you can see how many sales I have on my dashboard. On this same platform, I have another account which is for my own product. Now I own my own product and I still sell them to make money. Okay, so guys, trust me, there are lots of ways you can make money online. Okay, there are lots of ways you can make money online. Okay, so guys, if you're finding value in this video already, make sure you hit that like button, and if you're seeing my video for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so whenever I drop more updates or how to make money online on my channel, you're just gonna get notified by YouTube, and you can just watch and start making money for yourself. Okay, so guys, I'm going to drop the link to get that same course. I'm going to drop the link in the description of this video. Okay, so if you want to get this course, and start seeing results like this for yourself, I will say you should just hit on the first link you're gonna see in the description of this video. Okay, so once you hit on the first link, it's going to direct you to a page on Seller, and you're just going to complete the process and sign up, and you're going to get access to the course as well. Okay, so I told you earlier that this course is just 5,500, and trust me, what you're going to be making is way higher than how much you're gonna spend. You can see this is a payout, this is 10k, a recent payout, and this is another payout. So I showed you guys a lot of payouts in the first video I did. Okay, so trust me guys, if only you can follow the simple process you're gonna be getting, and you get this course for yourself, trust me, you're gonna be making a lot of money on this platform. Okay, so this is actually a sale from today. You can see the date, 25th of January, which I'm making this video. This is actually a sale, and you can see how much right here. You can see this is 4,775. Okay, so trust me guys, you're gonna be making money on this platform if only you can follow the process, get the course, and then follow the process, everything you're gonna learn in the course. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna keep this video very short. Trust me, all you just have to do is sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to get this course, and the course, you're going to learn a lot of things in that course. Okay, you're going to learn a lot: how to promote your product, how to get buyers, how to run Facebook ad. And Facebook ad itself is actually a skill that people are even looking for a way to learn. Okay, so that alone can even fetch you money, because you can be running ad for people and still be making money. So there are a lot of skills on this same course you can get and start making money for yourself, even if you don't make sale. But trust me, definitely you're gonna make sale if even if you're not smart, even if you don't have a knowledge on how affiliate marketing works, this same course teaches you everything. Okay, so guys, just use the link in the description of this video and get the course for yourself. Okay, so guys, just use the link in the description of this video and get the course for yourself. Implement everything you learn in the course, and trust me, you're going to start making money online. All you just need is your smartphone and a little time. Okay, a little time to just implement everything you learn. Okay, so guys, I'll be ending this video here, and I'll see you in my next video.